Hello, today I'm going to drive down with my son to go change a hot water heater. Right here's my son. Yeah. I'm going to teach him how to change a water heater. He's going to do all the work today. I'm going to teach him how to do it. I'll register your warranty. This is 6 years, okay? But it's been 5 years and 9 months. So I still got 3 more months before it expires. So they do take it back. So let's see. First you gotta turn off the water matic. Alright, turn off the water over here. I'm just gonna turn it off for you. Then, second, you want to turn off the gas. Alright, gas line is right here, this one. Okay, you turn off the gas first. Okay, now what you want to do, you want to remove the water from the tank. So, go remove the tank. Delete the water. It's hot water. Alright, make sure you open your vent right here. What are you supposed to be doing work?
You didn't show me how. You just did it for me.
I didn't want you to get burned.
That's true. And maybe it's like on hopefully things are pipes after this. Guessing these wrenches come into play.
Yeah. Okay, now, while this is draining, wait, so I won't get your shoes dirty.
I should have worn the yellow shoes.
Huh?
I should have worn yellow shoes.
Yeah, when you come to work, you gotta wear dirty shoes, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Now you wanna remove the cold water, then remove the hot water. Go ahead. Go this way. Put a plier.
Alright.
You know you can adjust that plier. Okay.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, go that way.
This way?
Yeah. Okay, keep on loosening it.
Where did the cold water release from? Where would the cold water release from?
What?
Where would the cold water release from? Just
From the street.
oh. Okay.
Don't worry, just
I'm just doing it very slow. Is it like all gone?
No, I was just checking something. Go ahead.
The hot water's still draining.
Don't worry. Because there's still water in there.
How much do I have to drain? I mean, how much do I have to twist this?
Okay, now twist off the other side. Right, see? Lid off.
My hair hurt. Like left? Do I twist it left?
The same way, the same direction. Always face this way so it's easier, okay? See? Okay. Now you can go. See? Okay, go ahead. Adjust your plier a little bit more. Looser. Right there. To the, you see it?
Yeah, I see this thing.
To the next level, alright? To the next level. Put your plier, one more. One more. Let's slide up and down, come. Yeah.
This good?
Alright, yeah. Now make sure it's in the slot.
Like this?
That's too small, go. Yeah. Okay. Adjust it one more. When you see it's too small, go to the next one.
Oh, should be good. Oh, good.
Squeeze it hard. Because it seems like you're loosening it. It seems like you're slipping.
Good?
No. Come on, you got a lot of work room. You'd be surprised how much work room I be having sometimes. Okay. Now you want to take the monkey wrench? That's a monkey wrench right there.
Oh.
You want to take off this gas line right here first, all right? Well, no, just loosen right here.
With the monkey?
Yeah, with the monkey wrench.
So I put on like, I put on like.
Yeah, all right. No, you gotta adjust it. You gotta adjust your monkey wrench.
So that's how you want to do it?
Okay, here. Use your monkey wrench. Yeah.
Probably do it from your side.
Use two hands. It's okay. It's not going to get dirty. Use one hand to hold this. Hold the pipe.
Oh, the pipe.
Yeah. You're gonna break the pipe. You do it like that. Come on, Maddie.
I'm trying.
Yeah.
This monkey wrench is annoying to use.
Hold on, see?
You just use your hands.
Yeah, if after you all loosen it up, all right? Now you want to do is put your monkey wrench on here, on this pipe right here.
Okay.
You got to adjust it.
A little bit in. Here, do I adjust it like to make it loose or like
Make sure you fit this.
make sure I fit?
I'm not going to tell you if it's loose or tight. You see how small this pipe is? Common sense.
This?
Isn't that too loose?
Alright.
Go ahead, you can stand on that water.
I don't mind.
Don't be afraid.
Alright.
Now you want to do the same direction.
It's not twisting.
Put it down right here so you won't break it. Everything you gotta be careful. It's fragile. That's not even tight enough. Tighten it a little bit more.
This good?
Yeah.
Okay, twist it this way.
Then I say go down a little bit more. You're gonna break this.
This right here?
Yeah. Why did you even have to adjust that? You already adjusted once already. Can't keep. It's called a monkey wrench. It keep on getting tight by itself. And then try and twist it with your hand.
Oh, my hand now.
Matic, when you twist it, put your whole hand like that, okay? Come on, Matic. Don't be too clumsy here.
Alright, it's off.
Okay. Now you want to disconnect the T. I think when you disconnect it, you have to disconnect this one first also. Okay?
So, right here.
Mm-hmm.
Twist it? Same way?
Hold on. I think the other way.
Oh, the other way?
Oh,
It's not the other way.
you're going to break stuff. Here, let me see.
You try.
Matic. And I'm then turning it to Home Depot. First I'm about to let my son do it, but just take everything a little bit longer, so I will be doing it myself. So first I got my sealer. Connect the gas line first. Okay. Pipe sealer. You can turn the light on from there.
No?
Yeah.
Okay.
You see, you can turn the flash.
Like this?
Mhm.
Oh.
Okay. You don't want to be too tight. Okay. Yeah. Let's see. there. Go ahead, connect the hot water line. Hot to hot, cold to cold. Make sure all the water's out. Here, you don't want to get rusty or a little leak or another drop of water. Hey, there's a dent here. You see it?
Sure.
There's a dent here.
Oh, there is a dent.
Oh,
Good then.
yep.
Oh,
Shouldn't be quick about it.
not to be quick. Take your time.
No, it's this way. Because I need to take this to register
Oh.
for warranty. It works.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay. We need another pipe.
Okay.
Oh, is that just in?
That's it.
Oh.
Alright, now we turn the gas back on.
There, give you light.
Turn the water back on. No leak. Now what you want to do here is to light it. You just, this is to press it. You want to put on pilot. Pilot. And you want to hold this down and press it. Let me see. This, the window's all the way over here. Okay, now it light up. You want to wait until this blink. All right. Just hold it there until it start blinking. Okay, see it blink? Okay, now once it blinks, you let go and you can set your temperature. There you go. Up and running. Put this back in. Okay, that's it. That's how you change a hot water heater. I tried changing with my son, but take a little too long, so I put everything myself. Okay. If you like my video, please subscribe. I appreciate it.